Alright, in this video I want to show you how we can use conditional formatting to automatically highlight the highest value in a certain data set. So here's my example. Right now I already have one highlighted, this 75 in the middle. And that is not just me using the bucket tool at the top to turn it green. It is done automatically. So I'll even show you that. Let me just go ahead and manipulate some data a little bit. Let's change this 40 over here to like 500. And we'll see, of course, that's going to change our average over here as well too. And it unhighlighted that one. So let me show you how this works. To start, I need to go ahead and open up conditional formatting. And so I'll do that by going up to the menu at top under Format and Conditional Formatting. Make that a little bit bigger. All right, and I actually want to close this right now. Let me show you what this one looked like. And so I know the formula looks a little complicated, but what it's doing is it's checking this cell, K8, and it wants to see if it's true that that is the max for that whole range. And then it'll go down and it'll go to K9 and 10, 11, and all the way down, and it's seeing if that is the max with in that whole range. Okay, I want to go ahead and set that up for this one as well too. So I'll show you. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the range. My range is going to be this set right here, L8 to L47. Right now, when you first start, it's saying that if the cell is not empty, it's going to highlight it. So not empty just means if there's anything in it, it's going to highlight it green, which I don't want. I'm going to actually use a custom formula, and like I showed a second ago, I'm going to set this equal to my current cell, which is L8. Let's turn the caps. And I want to see if that is the max of my data set, L8 to L47. And the only other thing I need to do is I should probably use these dollar signs for my range, and the dollar signs just lock the range in place, so as I go down the list, it's not going to update that range at all. Okay, and you can see it looks like my max for my minimum orders is 40, and let's just go ahead, scroll down and see if that is correct. So 20, 20, 40, 20, 20, 20, 20. Yes, it is. All right, there you go.